In this video, I'm going to show you how you can apply your text and your logo to this beautiful text style. Hello everyone, my name is Navid Hosseinian. This is Hyperpix. I hope you're doing well and having an amazing day so far. If you want to download this text effect, go to hyperpix.net and get a premium account and have access to all of our text styles, especially text effects, and actually our future updates for free. So, in our freebies, you can download a lot of free text effects and styles, so you can use this in any project. Before editing this text effect, I'm going to show you that this text effect is not only made for English language. You can apply this to any language. For example, you can see the Japanese look here, which has been applied beautifully to this text effect. Okay, if you want to know if you're using any language, don't miss this text effect. Okay, right click on the yellow layer and select edit content. And in the new window, double click on the thumbnail and type your own word. You can actually control the pattern, double click from here and like drag in your empty space. But keep this in mind that this gray part in this text effect, just have this in the middle. That will be amazing. Okay, if you're done, close and select yes. There it is, beautifully applied to our text. Like easy peasy, right? Look at that 3D look here. Okay, I want to show you how the other layers works. So you can adjust it like as you want. From the FX folder, disable the extrusion. That will disable the 3D of our design, so we have more speed in editing. And as you can see, we can have a lot of speed in editing. Okay, we got adjustment folder, which contains the colors and adjustment and the noise of our design here. First one is the colors and adjustment. Double click on them and adjust it as you like it and get your own preferable coloring and adjustment. It's totally up to you. Take your time to find it. Okay, we got vignette where there's an inner shadow around our artwork. As you can see here, we can control the opacity. We can increase it, decrease it, change the color. Okay, we got noise on and noise off, like most of our products. We got a retro noise on the top of our text effects. Our designers use this to give you a retro look. If you don't like it, disable noise on and enable noise off. That's how it works. You don't see any noise, but keep this in mind that one of these two has to be on. You can't use both of them, and you cannot have neither of them. So that's how it works. One of these has to be on, right? Okay, next one, we got another text layer here. Double click on it and type your own text. Okay. If your text is too long, change the layer spacing. Okay. Okay, we got text layer down there, and double click on it and write my own text. You can actually change the font from there. For example, easy peasy, right? Everything is adjustable in this text effect. We got sparkles. These are sparkly things, as you can see here. We put them on the edges of our design and on our highlights, so we can get a reflective and shiny look upon our design. I'm not gonna do this, but you take your time and put them where it should go. We got highlights. There's a highlight. There's a subtle highlights. Next one, there is an effects folder which contains the structures and technical parts of our design. We skip this one. Next one is there's a square like behind our text, and which contains another folder. These lights up there. Everything is categorized by layers, and you can see the lines. Like you can see, there is a mask. You can decrease the mask or increase it. How? Click on the mask layer, select a brush. I'm gonna write a hard brush. If I like brush in this area, you can see I am decreasing the line. But if I apply white color, I can increase it. So it depends on the color. White color increases it, and the black color decreases it. It's no brainer. Very easy to layer. Okay, we got stars and grid on the background. Everything is editable. Let's enable the extrusion so we can see the 3D. There it is, beautifully applied to our text effect. So before finishing this video, let's see how we can apply this text style to a logo. That will be interesting, right? Okay, in the edit content window, import your logo there. As you can see here, I'm gonna position it in the middle. Okay, I'm gonna position it here. I'm gonna actually put it a little bit higher. I'm gonna apply this text to this logo. Right click on the previous folder layer and select copy layer style and paste it on the our logo style. So where is the pattern? Don't worry about that. Remove that and double click on the FX icon, and from the patterns and drag the text, drag the pattern a little bit like in the middle, and position it in the middle. Just keep this in mind that the curve needs to be in the middle so we can have a balance. Okay, just drag on the empty space of your design. Okay, if you're done, close and select yes. There it is, beautifully applied to our text, to our logo. As you can see, there is an 80s Netflix. Okay, let's turn off and deactivate the extrusion and put Netflix logo a little bit lower. Okay. Next thing to do is to edit these texts. Okay. You can resize it a little bit. And we got sparkles, put them where it should go. I'm gonna keep one of these sparkles, for example, like this one. I'm gonna like remove all the others. I'm gonna put the remaining sparkles on the on where they should go, and press Alt and drag it all over our design so we can have more speed in editing and position them in where they should go. Press Alt and drag it like this, and you can actually, or you can just position the previous sparkles where they should go. Okay. From here, you can edit the text here. I'm gonna resize it a little bit. Okay, beautifully applied. You can actually like change the mask, but I'm not gonna take your time. We're in this. Okay, let's wait for a tree design. Enable the extrusion. Okay, beautifully applied. This is amazing, actually. It didn't take like more than 10 minutes, right? We applied our text and logo. And we have them in this beautiful 80s retro, and you can save hours of design time with this. Go to hyperpix.net and get a premium account and download this template and hundreds of quality text effects that you can get unlimited and use them in your commercial and your personal projects. And please subscribe to our channel and click on that bell button so we can get new videos. Thanks for watching this. My name is Navid.